We'll guide you through how to make wave background in Illustrator. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start by opening Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Once it is ready, click on New File to open the preset adjustment options. From the available presets, choose the 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 preset size for your artboard so you have an appropriate workspace for the design. Next, click Create to open the artboard and prepare the canvas for editing. After the artboard appears, select the rectangle tool from the toolbar. Use it to draw a rectangle that covers the entire artboard area. With the rectangle selected, set its color to match your desired design. Spend some time choosing and adjusting the base color carefully because it will serve as the foundation of the background. When you are satisfied, switch your current tool to the pen tool. Remove the fill from the shape or path settings so only the stroke will remain visible. Then adjust the stroke thickness until it is easy to see on the artboard. Set the stroke color to the wave color you want for the design. After completing those adjustments, draw a curved line across the artboard. Once the first curved line is finished, create a second curved line that complements the first. Next, change your tool to the blend tool. Select both curved lines to apply the blend effect between them. When the blending effect appears, double-click on the blend tool to open its settings. In the blend options, adjust the style and the amount of steps until the result fits your design preferences. Click OK to apply the settings and generate the blended wave pattern. After the effect has been created, resize the waves as needed so they fit the composition properly. Reposition the waves on the artboard until they sit exactly where you want them within the layout. Make sure the placement works well with the background color and creates a balanced appearance across the design.